Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just sharing a little project. So I made icicle dangles, and I used 24 gauge wire, (18 gauge wire. This is from Smith. This one's artistic wire. And then I used just like some beads for my stash. So these, I still have some of the 20mm Grinch beads if you're interested. But that's how they turned out with both wires. This one here. And I added some 4mm daisy spaces. And this one here. You can add some charms to it if you want. So like, these are from Hobby Lobby. You can put these little candy cane charms. Or you can add some of these kinds of charms. It doesn't matter, whatever charm you want to add to it. You know, I'm going to add probably one of these on here. And I made it with silver wire. So these are super easy to make. If you want a tutorial, let me know. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.